Welcome to Concepts. Chapter 7 Simple Interest and Compound Interest. Section number 3 Simple Interest and Compound Interest. Topic number 1 Note. Point ni kasi namin. Point number 1 For 1 year, simple interest and compound interest they are the same. A value honcho it is the same thing as R% of P. For example, principal equal to rupees 100. Rate of interest equal to, let's say, 10% per annum. Laya time equal to 1 year iti na. 1 year iti lang kada in simple interest all out. Simple interest to P into R into time. Okay, just cheng sumizing cho na. Formula ko ning calculate itin. Compound interest equal to amount minus principal tiucho. So in this case, amount will be principal into 11 by 10 to the power 1 minus principal equal to 110 minus 100 equal to 10. Ichi ay formula ako na hong kuna hiya na. A logic pa hi. Abulahi rupees 100 ito langkar ay simple interest ay interest so 10% ito ay interest rate of interest kiti ito 10% per annum kumkara interest so 10% tinaya. So in this case interest so 10% is ay langkar ay compound interest ang so abulahi 100 rupees ya capital compound kat by bauchi meaning interest kat bebo se generate ki bolso. So interest ilang azong 10% hito. 10% hintin asumay sa into P zing na. So velechon a formula ko na azong rupees 10 ahong kondo dan hi a logic pa hi het him diu ka day zi aza ka hin sehin. The most important point is kum khat a hiting le compound interest and simple interest they are the same thing. Ay amati ni a value to formula ge apply ngai lawa 10% hile direct 10% into P zing. This is interest for the first year tina. Point number 2 simple interest for first year, second year, third year they are the same. For example lang hin rupees 100 na ye ay hile to ay simple interest ahi investable so rate will be 10% per annum. I let time to 3 years activity, for example. This is 2020, 2021, 2022, 2023. Ahile 10% hizi ato 2021, 2020 apat 2021 kumha so nga interest jeng sompo ding 21 apat 22 chancho interest jeng sompo ding second year azong third year azong hit cheng sompo de teacher interest for the first year, the second year, the third year it is the same for simple interest hading ai ke bangzi che compound interest abang chen ne khat hangza chumzi ta che compound interest hi lewang chen abula 100 here 10% hi le chen it will become 110 ai le second year apada hi hung chum ki ta a percentage as 10% hintin compound interest a hiting le sum thui jong he sum pi ke suji so it will be 11 by 10 into 110 cancelable hale in this case 1 to 1 so interest so chite ni minus ka bole kum kha zawa chu zale cheng so manei kum ni zawa chu zale som ni lakhat nei a meaning chu ichi kum sunga hi rupees 11 interest ana pot cho na so abula cheng som pot aban hai rupees 11 pot na so compound interest ai kum si ai interest khang simple interest ai kum si ai interest a ke bange eche point ni animal chute. Okay, common problems. Problem number 1 compound interest and simple interest for 2 years. Okay, like condition chu time equal to 2 years hi te ngai 1 year 3 year 4 years hoi thelo abana rate on ke bang di. For example nang hin rupees 1000 ne rupees 1000 in it's a simple interest ang investable the compound interest ang investable the. For example simple interest for 2 years langkara chu compound interest for 2 years hilanga hi interest kiti chu let's say 10% per annum langkara interest kiti chu 10% per annum compounded annually hingai compounded annually ahile hilanga simple interest for 2 years hilanga compound interest for 2 years amate ni ka relationship hi study ute so 2 years same principle ahi same rate of interest ahi tingle simple interest or compound interest hi amate ni ka formula thumum chu formula 1 formula 2 formula 3 formula 1 to compound interest equal to simple interest into 1 plus half of r% hising hichi ti phal za deu hamiti le question a chu khat ni thum cho thum la ai ni hong ki pi phal za deu na this is formula number 1 ai lo le for example chite ni hong ki pi tai simple interest hong ki pi in r% rate hong ki pi in compound interest holdo de hi ala chen hichi formula za deu formula number 2 difference ti chu ilanga simple interest for 2 years ilanga compound interest for 2 years amate nge ka difference compound interest tam za diya compound interest minus simple interest inizing so it is on hi formula ni ama sa pen chu si into half of r% formula hi by heart ngaye this is a very common problem formula by heart dingin recommend ka bole ale it ti phal za deu ham question chen difference khat si khat r khat icho thum la hai ni hong ki pi phat le is a formalize deu khat dai ve le difference kiti jang hi it will be okay r% square into p khat dai ve le difference hi khat abana r ni principal thumum chana cho thum la ni hong ki pi ai le h pe ni za deu cho thum la ni hong ki pi ai le te ni za deu na so formula a bond ja ki bang hi cha they are exactly the same simplify boleuchen it means the same thing but problem ahi information achum chumung ki pidi hi zi ahi hi formula thum mo jong hi by heart tin aza da ne khat ithip ngai tin ane be hoite compound interest on a sum for 2 years at this 2 years condition umtana 2 years condition satisfied ta abana is this compound interest is this simple interest on the same sum for the same rate for the same period of time so it's a simple interest ahin dong so a formula chu difference do phale chun chi ya difference do la wale chun we have only one formula na compound interest equal to simple interest into 1 plus half of r% chu so in this case compound interest to it is 510 equal to simple interest ki hello whole loading into 1 plus half into r% ki chu 12 1 by 2% ki chu 12 1 by 2% ki hi it is nothing but 1 by 89 cancel legend 24 plus 1 25 divided by 2% is also divided by 100 cancel na bola 1 by 8 so 12 1 by half% kiti hi equal to 1 by 8 hi eti hi common fraction in by heart again pi so this will be 1 by 8 so 510 equal to simple interest into 16 touch LCM kala le 16 plus 1 17 so chite ni cancel ka bola I will get 30 so 30 to multiply ka bola 480 equal to simple interest so formula is beta akhol do thai formula hi by heart ngai the difference antitai difference compound interest simple interest principal gipita for 2 years condition satisfied kita 88% per annum payable yearly okay difference formula ni laila achu question chun principal ahin pansa le I formula chu r% square into principal iti ucha so question chun hold into chu difference hold into so equal to r kiti chu 8 here so 8% kiti is 8 divided by 119 square into principal chu 5000 so this will be 8 into 8 divided by 100 into 100 achung lang ko 5,000. 1 2 3 1 2 3 5 cancel ka bole 2 cancel ka bole 4. So the answer will be simply 32 rupees. So formula bola election problem is very easy. The difference between compound interest and simple interest on an amount of 15 for 2 years is this. The rate of interest per annum. Okay. Difference kiti to 96 equal to R percentage na R divided by 100 square into principal to principal to 15,000. Hilaya hi 2 years time hi calculation na pang zilo pi na formula cha pang lo pi but question chun 2 years a hinti te ngai azi chu I formula also only for 2 years are valid. So in this case 96 equal to R into R. R squared is in tau de anoi lang chu 100 into 100 into 15,000. 0 thum 0 ni 0 thum. Okay, cancel bowling. This will be 3. This will be 2. Cancel ka ball kit dahil this will be 32. So lang karaka so dahil 64 equal to R square. Chichu 8 square hizing lawang. 64 kiti 8 square hintin. So that means R equal to 8%. The simple and compound interest that can be earned in 2 years at the same rate is this and this. What is the rate? Okay, difference pahilo, we have only one formula. Compound interest equal to simple interest into 1 plus half into R%, R divided by 100. So R whole doding ichi lang karasoleng 1575 divided by 1500. Chicho lang karako 200 hintin. It will be okay. Hitihin ko denote 1575 divided by 1500 equal to 1 plus R divided by 200. Itihin ko denote langzo I cancel 11 15 na cancel ka bola ile I will get 100. Abana chu chi achung lang chu 15 na cancel ka bola ile 105 ka modi chu ile chi cancel bowling I will get 20. I will get 21. This is 21 divided by 20 equal to 1 plus R divided by 200 ito. 1 hilang kara soleng. I will get 1 divided by 20 equal to R divided by 200. Ito zong so bon mo na explain nga ito po na 21 by 20 lang kara ka soleng minus 1. 20 ahile 21 minus 20 equal to 1 divided by 20 na. So zong si habol mo mong tawin itihin direct exam zing tawte. Cancel ka bola at 10. So R equal to 10%. Amit borrowed a sum of rupees 25,000 on simple interest. Bhola borrowed the same amount on compound interest. Cut simple interest, cut compound interest. At the end of 2 years, Bhola had to pay 160 more interest. Meaning difference is 160. The rate of interest charge per annum is okay. Like a difference 160 equal to R by 100 square. Hichipai za na azi to principal kipi into 25,000. So this will be 160 equal to R square divided by 100 into 100. Into 25,000. So this is 1 2 3 1 2 3. Cancel ka bola hile. This will be 5 and this will be 2. Cancel ball pailing. I will get 3 15 32. So the same thing. 64 equal to R square. R equal to 8. So 8%. Note, simple interest for first year equal to simple interest for second year, simple interest for on the third year. What is the rate of interest if simple interest earned on a certain sum for the third year is rupees 2000 and compound interest earned in 2 years is rupees 4160? Okay, problem explain in bowling. Question nung zo ya simple interest ke teacher third year ra 2000 he teacher. I'll meaning to second year azang 2000 ma hiding abana to first year azang 2000 ma lo diong ahile simple interest for 2 years is at hede teacher first year second year into in 2 years kumni sunga to simple interest is at hede first year at 2000 second year at 2000 ahile simple interest 4000 is in lawang. So problem to explain in bowling 2 years ita kumni sunga hi simple interest to 4000 ahile compound interest to question nung zo ya 4160 ahile mate ni difference ki hold out thai changale difference is that it will be 160 rupees is in lawang ahile question chun say to pi ha rate of interest hold out ding. Okay, ahile in this case difference ang hold out ngai point na direct in like on bolsing taute 4160 compound interest equal to simple interest into 1 plus half into rate divided by 100. So 0 langkara solving 416 divided by 400 equal to 1 plus r divided by 200. Isang to cancel bowling 208 ano lang so 200. So it's langkara ka sola hile I will get 208 by 200 minus 1 to langkara ka sola hile I will get 8 divided by 200. Pibola cancel ka ball bela hom tele langkara I 200 oh mi ka muzi at cancel ngai lang so that now I can cancel r equal to directly 8%. What is the rate of interest if simple interest earned on a certain sum for third year is this and compound interest for second year is the same problem. This is also 2017 hit. So in this case compound interest to 3622.5 equal to simple interest for 2 years ading hinache formula to 2 years ahi 2 years ading a hintin simple interest to kum khara to 1750 ahile kum nia to it will be 005 3500 into 1 plus half into r divided by 100. So lang kara in solving 36225 3512 point to gala doing 1 plus r divided by 200. Okay, ka cancel pay in langkar ain may nazo boltange 36225 35123. So this will be 25, this will be 2, this will be 1 1225 divided by 35123 hilaw diang si langkara ka sola hile na langkara ka sola hile minus 1 hong giso ding LCM na la ding minus na bolding chin na modi cha step hi sauta zamutin zam thai chanin this will be this. So cancel ka bola hile this will be 175 stay ni zong chuka gin cha dan 5 hiding ka gin cha in so 5 hile 25 2 in hand neo base 35 okay 35 37 3 in hand okay 875 neo base in cancel hote. So this will be 5 this will be 7 25 cancel ka bole 7 25 cancel ka bole 4 and then 100 yeah 225 I think it will be 9. So cancel ka bola hile okay I get r equal to 7%. Problem 2. Compound interest for 1 year compounded half yearly versus simple interest for 1 year. Layahi principal hi rupees 1000 ahi the same principal. It can invest on ki boltai. Langkadai first it is compound interest. Langkadai simple interest I invest ki bol. ai lang khat ai rate equal to, for example, rate equal to, let's say 10% per annum compounded half yearly hi te ngay compounded quarterly ho adang ho che thelo langa jong to rate to 10% per annum ai le ita bang problem hi compound interest chapter rise in the ball ta uchu chi ki bang chat a formula jong ki bang chat a problem jong ki bang chat it's 1 year it's on a time to like time equal to 1 year for 1 year na lang kha jong time equal to 1 year time equal to 1 year hi ale chun simple interest or compound interest ki bang chat hi cho chi ja chi la ya jong hi simple interest ke la chu compound interest ga ti a hi le hita bang problem exactly the same problem so compound interest in a ball ta it's not detail so 1 year hi ting le simple interest and compound interest they are the same thing so hilanga hi compound interest heading compound interest for 1 year compounded half yearly langka raju simple interest iti diuham ai lo le compound interest iti diuham for 1 year so compounded only once na so langka rai simple interest amati ni hi a difference to maina symbol a hilechan difference ipi hetiwa r by 2 into r by 2 divided by 100 a percentage is that percentage idi heti wilawang into asuma say denga cho principal na the difference between the compound interest compounding half yearly for 1 year and simple interest for 1 year so it's the same thing simple compound the same thing 1 year also on a certain sum of money lent out at 8% per annum is this what is the sum difference to question nung z to 60/40 na the difference say is 60/40 so difference is 64 equal to a formula dung zoi wa chu r to 8% his that's r by 2 will be 4% 4 by 4 into 100% into principality we are question chun all the in it is a principal so this will be 64 hele cancel length I will get 24 to kaga hai mile 6 for 24 so this will be 4 so this will be 400 percentage so divided by 110 ai lo 00 equal to principal hazing na so this will be the answer for equal to langkhara ko p bo se umta anui langa chu 0 ni percentage haja chu into 0 ni na langkhara ka so lai le 40,000 the difference between compound interest and simple interest on a sum for 2 years at 20% per annum is this if the interest is compounded half yearly then what is the difference between compound and simple interest for 1 year problem with 2 parts this is the first part difference between compound interest and simple interest on a sum for 2 years at 20% per annum is rupees 200 okay so first part achu question chun ikhate chui chuna to a problem type 1 te chui cho laya chu question chu relation 2 years ita 2 years abana chu khat chu compound interest khat chu simple interest abana chu rate ang ki bang ania 20% abana chu principal jang ki bang so for condition is satisfied we can apply the formula chu pi ha difference question dong zai cho difference ti chana difference is 200 ti cho the formula dong zai wa cho difference equal to r percent ti chana 20 by 100 r percent square into principal ti cho so chi cancel ka bola hele this so this will be 200 okay cancel zing tang divided by 5 so 1 by 5 square 1 by 25 into p hele p equal to multiply ka bole 5,000 is in touch the second part of the problem question chun ado chu interest is compounded half yearly what is the difference between compound and simple interest at get type for 1 year so to a problem ball pen we in hilaya hi difference ipi hetiwa r by 2 thì chúng là r cho 10 hi le r by 2 cho 10 hin tin so r cho 20 hi le r by 2 cho 10 hin tin divided by 100% asuma say dinga cho into 5000 start equal to so 50 is in long chete ni cancel ka bola hi le 1% ke ti so 1 divided by percent to 0 ni kat a hi le 50 is in chana so the answer will be 50. Problem type 3. Question 10. Simple interest. The principal increased by R% in n years. For example, in 2 years at simple interest, the principal increased by 8%. What will be the compound interest earned on rupees 10 lakhs in 2 years at the same rate? At simple interest, the principal increased by 2%. 2 years increased by 8%. 1 year increases at 1 year 4% is in lawang. Interest ke teacher, meaning to piha mitile interest ke teacher 4% per year. Tina is in 1 year 4% increase interest ke teacher. Simple interest ke teacher 4% per year per annum kitizing chana so 2 years 8% interest rate to ke hello interest rate hold ding interest rate to ibet da hile phat zo se per annum per year kitite chana so in this case per year ko hold hile 4% hitai so direct it bol jing thai 8 hi divided by 2 4% is na so question jon hold in this compound interest hold on rupees 10 lakhs in 2 years at the same rate. Okay, to I compound interest hold ding amount ga hold hinge 10 lakhs hile 0 ni 0 thum into question nung zo ya chu interest rate to 4% ti cho nai ho hin so interest rate to 4% hile it will be 104 divided by 100 kumizati kumni this is the amount ahile to I compound interest hold ding ahile minus chito hin minus na 10 lakhs ahile ka beda ahile question so hi 6 a ke chai ding 6 a ke chai ka to 0 khat so minus se bol answer to 6 a ke chai te ding 6 a ke chai hi mani a hi so ga minus phat 11 anui lang hi 0 group ti 0 li cho so 0 li to ye cancel de ya okay full in 0 into 104 into 104 divided by 100 into 100 equal minus 10 0 0 0 thum 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 I let you to 104 104 so this will be 16 4 abana 104 ka I let 16 8 10 so 10816 16 this will be the answer 16 bana to 0 ni na minus 0 ake chaigen minus ka bola le chon chai ke chai te di cho na 0 0 to 1 2 3 4 5 6 so it will be 81612 so this will be the answer. If in 2 years at simple interest the principal increased by 16%. So rate hi hold audio 2 years I 16% hile 1 year at 8%. 8% per year so that is the rate of interest. What will be the compound interest earned on this for 2 years at the same rate? Okay. To ahi compound interest will be okay, it's a formula ga jang hiện nghe p into 100 plus r divided by 100 to the power 2 minus 1 ga azange nup zo am khate ga deute. So in this case principal is 25,000 into rate to 8% iti ta uchana, so it will be 108 divided by 100 square minus 1 chizong to 25000 ahile ichi 4 a cancel ka bola 27 anui lang to 25, so 27 square divided by 25 square is 27 square divided by 25 square bala minus 1 chizong to 25 square hintin achung lang to 27 square minus 25 square hidi chana minus 1 hi zia to LCM to 25 square kala le achung lang to 27 square minus 25 square hitai ele chizong to 25 into 25 t na hi cho chizia to chi cancel ka bola hi le 1000, so cancel ka bol ke da hi le 0 ni to 4 hi le 40 into chizong hi abon bona multiply ka bol ngai lo 27 ga hol do khel ngai lo a square minus b square hi le a minus b itin bola chen na ba azaven a plus b, so this will be 40 into 2 into 50 hi le 52, so the answer will be 6 like it's 19, okay 6 like it's item, so this will be 80 into 52, so this will be 6 1 in hand 44160, this will be the answer. In 4 years at simple interest, the principal increased by 32%. 4 years also 32% hele 1 year as is at hidem. 1 year also 32 divided by 4, which will be 8% is in chana. So 8% per year hele rate of interest will be 8% per annum. So this is the rate. Question chun, what will be the compound interest 3 years at here? So compound interest kiti chu formula dung zo ya chu principal into 108 divided by 100 cube here minus 1, so this will be 24 1 2 3, so cancel ka bola like this will be 27 divided by 25 cube minus 1, so this will be 24 1 2 3 25 cube 27 cube minus 25 cube chi ga khadi ta jang chu, so pt value tam chu 240 into 100 hega teutin anui lang into 27 cube minus 25 cube chichu 25 into 25 into 25, so this will be cancel ka bola, this will be 4 divided by 25 divided by 25 cancel ka bola ile chun point apo ding hi ka ging cha in point po te ding pi bola point po lo I don't know nang ho in calculate in bol win lang answer you can tell me. A sum of money is paid back in 2 annual installments of rupees 17640 each. Meaning to mahin loan ala to kumni sa first year EMI to 17640 asa, second year EMI asa azad to 17640, total laman suma sa azad 08253 35280 ito 35280 kiti hi piham dile alon la to a interest puma abon bona sa ho cho hi na to a hi formula deu chu capital loan to iheta power x tutin to i formula deng zoi wa EMI tiu chana 17640 hindi into to a hi 1 divided by 100 plus r%, 2 equal monthly installment hi zia chu hi chan do se na ila deu first is installment, second installment hi chan ila deu ele tu ai 1 divided by 100 chu zong chu abon bonai ga zi lo deu chu na ilung thima ki het lew han 1 divided by 100 plus r% hita cha chichu ipihamiti le 1 divided by question chun r chu rate to 580 ja chu 105% in ta cha ele chichu is that 105% ki ti chu 21 divided by 20 hilawang cancel bola haile so this will be chizong chi pihung ki so 20 divided by 21 tai ki so ji hilawang so ipiti bolu hamiti haile che a bond je ke ai tai ka ji lo diu chu saw wal be se chu so 1 divided by 100 plus 5 100 plus 5 105% 105% chun lung thima gele chun 21 divided by 20 divided by chu chunga ga chi beta abana he ipi uma square hit so square hi le it will be the same thing 20 square divided by 21 square it in chi beta so kimel chi le chan ji dan cha 17640 into laya jong chu 20 by 21 chu common la do le chan ipi dana songa ko 1 plus 20 divided by 21 then cho so this will be 17640 into 20 by 21 into LCM the legend 21 this will be 41 so 21 ni ki just sorry 21 chiten ni ki cancel thei te intin chiten ni chu 441 na 21 to 21 multiply na bola hai legend 21 square to 441 hi chu ale 17640 ki ti 441 a divide bole 4 okay this will be 4 hile this will be 4 this will be 16 one in hand abana 16 17 okay direct a cancel ka bola ile 4 is in so this will be 40 so this will be 800 into 41 so this will be 836 800 8 4 are 32 A loan has to be returned in 2 yearly equal installments, each of rupees this. If rate of interest is this, then the total interest paid is 2 yearly equal installment na installment no 80 part chen igel do jing diu chu capital in this case capital ai lo le loan chu heta power x etive equal to formula dung zo ya chu EMI 44100 it's a pi EMI hi lawang na 2 equal installments this is the EMI into 1 divided by 100 plus 5 105% 105% so it is 21 by 22 chana so 21 divided by 20 anui langa ka gaji sang na chung langa ji tang na chi di thau thau so aban hi gel ngai ta lo it will be 20 by 21 square a hi ati hezing taw na a pattern ki follow the 3 equal installments se bangle chu 20 cube divided by 21 cube it in si beta 4 a hi le chu 20 to the power 4 by 21 to the power 4 it ai chi di chu so 44100 into 20 by 21 common kala dole I get 1 plus 20 divided by 21 so this will be okay cancel the zing I will get 21 into 20 21 plus 40 20 41 cancel ka bole this 100 so this will be 8200 ni this is the capital na capital ti de hum loan ti dem chi ala za choi cha e toy amai sumi za asa first year a hi it's a pahin 44100 asa second year a hi 44100 asa ala total la amine asum sa za de 88200 asa do chu chi hol a hi amahin a capital chu 82000 he itiu chana so this is the total this is the capital maina se bola hala chun interest pot de hizing law so interest component interest api za de 6200 ta cha okay miscellaneous problem on the bolute A person borrowed a certain sum at 10% for 3 years, interest being compounded annually. At the end of 2 years, he repaid a sum of this, and at the end of the 3rd year, he cleared off the debt by paying 13200. What was the sum borrowed by him? A problem dan cho hele abulahi amahin sum capital khat hi agabat hi cho loan agala. Ele cho kum si a cho a loan cho 10% interest charge a bol pio. Ele amahin ipi bol tam tile second year rahi sumniaw khat agapi e cho 6634 agapi. Ele a third year rahi 13200 sum api be a hele chun abat jau se ki sa chai ti hi cho na. A hele hita bang problem ho hi option a calculate ka volume zin che hoi che pen hi diam kha de ga beu tin na ama sa pen a hin option a is it 15600 aga bai tiu te che pa hin 15600 sum aga bat le kum ni za wai asa ai cho ai la kum ni na hi interest is at he dem na amount ki ti cho i formula dung zui wa cho principal cho 15600 hai cho into abana is at wa interest 10% hi le it will be 110% to the power 2 it will along na. So in this case amount hi 156 into 0 ni talawang 121 hi china modi cho multiply bol when 156 to 1212 we will get 65156 abana cho 213 abana cho 156. So this will be 67818 so 15600 abat hi akum ni na a hi sumizat ham amount hi abat zat hi a total la 18876 abat do hi ta cha it's hi correct answer ne bang na hi zat abat do di ai la question lung zui cha mind sumizat repayable la 6634 repayable so la ya hi this will be 2, this will be 4, this will be 2, this will be 2, 12242 abat na lai cho na akum ni na cho sumi za di api do a hi le chun hi za hi baki na lai cho this is credit ai le akum thum na cho interest 10% kalbe ki dei cho interest 10% kalbe ki da hi le chun akum thum na hi sum chu abat zat mamang che zat he de 10% kalbe a hi le chun it becomes 110% hi lawang so akum thum na hi it will be 110% into 12242 hicho so 12242 12242 ahile 266431 point so it's hi capital anala cho hi bangle akum thum na ai sum zat a sa ngai di 13466.2 13,466.2 rupees asa ngai di cho ai wanga question chun asa chu izat hetia 13200 ti cho a meaning to number 1 this is not the correct option ti na jing na. Number 2 ahile 15600 anahile asumsa di chu 13466.2 hi ahile amahin asa chu za tha 13200 hi zi a chu asumla hi 15600 sangai hlom zo ti nai chu an mu chuna sum hi anatam le chu atam chana chu interest anga sa di tam che di hi na ai ho in 15600 he ati le sum za asa ngai di but aman asa ngai ta chu hi chi hi ta so meaning chu asumla jong chu 15600 sangal hlom zo di chu soi ve da hi le 15600 sangal hlom zo chu chebo se hintin. So by logic, common sense, this will be the correct answer. It is solving while shortcut formula hi ke point ke het lai le ni khat le share nang kating 2 to din wang ka khot do 9 point shortcut formula. So general conventional method I solving ai le chun 10% on the second year amount will be amount it is a principal into 100 plus rt to 110% to the power 2 is so this will be 11 121 divided by 100 into x ti nai jing cha ai le sumi zat abat la hi amahin 121x divided by 100 abat eta cha chi ho la hi amahin 6634 aga ki sa do a hi le chun hi chi hi number khat dia hi chi number hi ta cha amahin abat cha ai le amahin next year a chu sumi zat api ngaya 10% interest ala be deu hi zia cha so next year a hi sum api di zat hi 110% hi ta cha na so it will be 110% into it's a asumbat that 121 divided by 100x minus 6634 equal to question chun ai hoi ni sayo chu ai ho calculation nung zo ya chu this is the amount which he has to pay question chun amount he paid to 13200 ti chala so it's the ni cancel leng I will get 1212 silang khara khun sol leng I will get this 12000 so 121 divided by 100x equal to see 11 okay I hate boy 12123 here this will be 6634 lang khara ka sole plus here na so 3461864 chilang khara ka sola plus ka bole 18634 option also point lo ja chu te ni ki cancel thai di ka het jing so 18634 to 1 to 1 ahile 1 1 to 1 so this will be 5 this will be 6 this will be 3 so 1 5 ahile this will be 5 10 1 in hand 5 6 so this will be 8 this will be 4 this will be 4 4 ahile this will be 4 this will be 8 this will be 4 na ye cancel thai chana so 154 x equal to 15400 ising it's equation in a sip thai du hom there is the equation na okay we have come to the end of this chapter thank you for watching and I hope you learned something new